Hello, and welcome back to our channel. We are thrilled to have you with us today as we delve into another exciting health topic. We appreciate your continuous support, and if you're new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss an upload. We strive to bring you the latest information about health trends, diets, and everything wellness related. Today, we're going to talk about a diet that's been making waves in the health and fitness world, the ketogenic diet. Ever wondered why it's so popular? Or perhaps you're curious about how it works? Well, you're in the right place. We're going to break it all down for you, from the science behind it to the benefits it offers. So, sit back, grab a healthy snack, and let's explore the ketogenic diet together. Ever wondered why the ketogenic diet is making waves in the health and fitness world? It's because it breaks from the standard dietary narrative. Instead of a plate heaped with carbohydrates, the ketogenic diet places the emphasis on healthy fats, with a moderate amount of protein and a sprinkling of carbs. You see, when carbs are drastically reduced to less than 50 grams a day, our bodies have to look for an alternative source of energy. And that's where fat steps in. This metabolic switch from burning carbs to burning fat is what's known as ketosis. But how does this work, you ask? Well, when we consume fewer carbs, our insulin levels drop, and fat stores are released in the form of fatty acids. Some of these fatty acids are transported to the liver, where they're converted into ketones, a type of acid that the body can use as fuel. In essence, your body becomes a fat-burning machine. And it's not just about weight loss. The ketogenic diet has been linked to a range of health benefits, from improved insulin sensitivity to better cognitive function. It's a diet that feeds your body, fuels your brain, and, yes, can whittle your waistline. But as with any diet, the ketogenic approach isn't a one-size-fits-all solution. It requires a certain amount of commitment and a lot of patience. It can take a while for your body to adapt to this new way of eating and to enter into a state of ketosis. However, with a bit of planning and a lot of determination, the ketogenic diet can be a powerful tool for health and weight loss. So, whether you're keen to shed a few pounds, looking to stabilize your blood sugar levels, or simply curious about this popular diet, the ketogenic diet could be worth considering. Consider it a metabolic game changer. Weight loss is just the tip of the iceberg when it comes to the benefit of the ketogenic diet. Let's dive in and explore the depth of benefit this diet has to offer. First and foremost, the ketogenic diet is a powerful tool for weight loss. By reducing carbohydrate intake and upping fat intake, the body enters a state of ketosis and starts burning fat for fuel. This metabolic game changer can lead to significant weight loss, especially in the early stages. But the benefits of the ketogenic diet extend far beyond the scale. It's also a potent ally for blood sugar control. By limiting the intake of carbohydrates, which break down into glucose in the body, the ketogenic diet can help stabilize blood sugar levels. This makes it an effective approach for those with type 2 diabetes or insulin resistance. Moreover, the ketogenic diet can improve insulin sensitivity. Insulin is the hormone that allows cells to take in glucose for energy or storage. When the body becomes resistant to insulin, glucose builds up in the blood, leading to high blood sugar. By reducing the amount of glucose entering the bloodstream, the ketogenic diet can help the body respond better to insulin, potentially reversing insulin resistance. Let's not forget about satiety. With a diet rich in fats and moderate in protein, you're more likely to feel full and satisfied after meals. This can help curb overeating and snacking, leading to a natural reduction in calorie intake. Beyond these, the ketogenic diet has been linked to a range of other potential health benefits, from reducing inflammation to improving mental clarity and focus. While more research is needed to fully understand these effects, the initial findings are promising. In conclusion, the ketogenic diet is more than a weight loss tool. It's a comprehensive approach to nutrition that can offer a host of benefits. It can help stabilize blood sugar, improve insulin sensitivity, and increase satiety, all while supporting weight loss. It's a game changer for those with type 2 diabetes or insulin resistance and a boon for weight loss. So, whether you're looking to shed some pounds or improve your overall health, the ketogenic diet might just be the key you've been searching for. Starting a ketogenic diet may seem daunting, but with the right knowledge, it's a journey you can embark on confidently. So, where do you begin? Let's walk through the steps together. First, immerse yourself in keto education. Dive into books, blogs, podcasts, and research articles. Learn the ins and outs of the diet. Understand why you're saying no to that morning bagel and yes to a plate of eggs and avocado. This isn't just about weight loss, it's about optimizing your health and well-being. Next is time to crunch some numbers. The ketogenic diet is all about the right balance of macronutrients, high fat, moderate protein, and low carbohydrates. Online tools can help you calculate your personal macronutrient ratios based on your age, sex, weight, and activity level. Remember, these are just starting points. Feel free to adjust as you go along and as you become more in tune with your body's needs. Now, on to the pantry purge. Say goodbye to high-carb foods like pasta, bread, and sugary snacks. Replace them with keto-friendly staples, such as lean meats, fish, eggs, nuts, seeds, and low-carb vegetables. Look for high-quality fats, like avocados, coconut oil, and olive oil. Don't worry, there's still plenty of deliciousness to be had on the keto diet. And finally, keep track of your macros. There are many apps and online tools that can help you log your daily food intake and ensure you're staying within your ketogenic range. This isn't about obsessing over numbers, but about being aware and making informed food choices. Hydration is crucial on the keto diet, so keep that water bottle handy and consider supplementing with electrolytes to maintain a balance in your body. Transitioning into ketosis can take time and patience. You may experience some initial side effects, often referred to as the keto flu, but don't worry, these usually subside after a few days. Remember, knowledge is power when it comes to successful keto dieting. Equip yourself with the right information, and you'll be well on your way to a healthier, happier you. Stay tuned for our next segment where we'll delve into maintaining the ketogenic diet. Until then, happy ketoing. Staying on track with keto involves more than just monitoring your food intake. Now that you've embarked on your keto journey, let's dive into some key aspects of maintaining this lifestyle. One crucial and often overlooked element of the ketogenic diet is hydration. With the decrease in carbohydrate intake, your body might shed water more quickly. So, it's important to keep up with your hydration. Drinking plenty of water throughout the day is a must. But don't stop there. Your body also needs electrolytes to function properly, and these too can be depleted when you're in ketosis. Sodium, potassium, and magnesium are the big ones to watch out for. To keep your electrolyte balance in check, consider adding a pinch of pink Himalayan salt to your water, munching on potassium-rich avocado, or snacking on magnesium-loaded almonds. Another cornerstone of maintaining a ketogenic diet is the use of a food tracking app. With this tool at your fingertips, you can easily monitor your daily intake of carbohydrates, protein, and fat. This helps ensure you're staying within the ketogenic range, which is typically about 70% of calories from fat, 20% from protein, and just 10% from carbohydrates. Now, let's talk about the initial adjustment period to ketosis. When you first start a ketogenic diet, your body may need some time to adjust to this new fuel source. This period, often referred to as the keto flu, can include symptoms like fatigue, headaches, and irritability. But don't despair. These symptoms are temporary, and there are ways to mitigate them, like staying well hydrated and ensuring you're getting enough electrolytes. And here's the thing, this adjustment period is a sign that your body is on the right track. It's adapting to burning fat for fuel instead of carbohydrates. So, while it may feel a bit rocky at first, know that it's all part of the process. Patience is key. Give your body time to adjust. And remember, you're not just changing a diet, you're transforming your lifestyle. It's a marathon, not a sprint. And every step forward is a step toward better health. How long should you stick with the ketogenic diet? Well, it's a personal choice. The longevity of the ketogenic diet varies from person to person depending on individual health goals, dietary preferences, and lifestyle. Some individuals find that a ketogenic diet suits them perfectly and choose to adopt it as a long-term lifestyle. They savor the benefits, such as sustained weight loss, improved blood sugar control, and enhanced mental clarity that come with being in a state of ketosis. On the other hand, some people may use the ketogenic diet as a short-term tool for specific health goals, like weight loss or blood sugar control. Once these goals are met, they might transition to a less restrictive, yet still health-conscious diet. But remember, whether you choose to follow the ketogenic diet for a week, a month, or a lifetime, the key is to listen to your body. Always consult with a healthcare professional before starting any new diet regimen. Remember, what works best for you is what matters most. And there you have it, the ketogenic diet demystified. We've journeyed together into the fascinating world of keto, flipping traditional nutrition wisdom on its head. We've explored the benefits of this metabolic game changer, from significant weight loss to improved insulin sensitivity and increased satiety. We've given you a roadmap to begin your own keto adventure, emphasizing the importance of education, careful tracking of macronutrients, and patience as your body adjusts. Remember, whether you're using keto as a long-term lifestyle or a short-term kickstart, it's all about finding what works best for you. Consult with healthcare professionals, listen to your body, and never stop learning. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and share it with your friends. And for more enlightening content, be sure to subscribe to our channel. Until next time, stay healthy and stay curious.